Hi, my name is Amanda and I work in the heating and air conditioning department at Team Enoch. I receive a lot of phone calls from customers who are looking to replace their unit, and it's very simple for us to send over a comprehensive estimate for a full system replacement. We only need to know 3 things. First, I need a faraway photo of the outdoor condenser. Second, the size of your system. It's pretty easy to be able to determine. We're going to take the information from the outdoor air conditioner or condensing unit and look at the model number. You don't actually need to know how to read that, but if you take a picture of it that's very clear, I'll be able to determine what size system you have. And third, I need a faraway photo of the indoor unit. Whether or not your heating component is gas or electric, this particular unit behind me is an electric air handler. That means there is no gas that is going to power the unit for its heat. What that means is there's no exhaust pipe coming from the unit, and there's no gas line that goes to the unit. With that information, Team Enoch is able to give us an estimate. See you soon.